Page 118, Dark Eyes. There's another lead sheet. I get to improvise. Oh, goody. Well, again, you got to get the melody down right, so let's work on that first. It's got one flat. We're in the key of D minor still. 3/4 time. We're coming in on beat 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and the eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2. So on 2 you rest. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 3 and rest thumb. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so forth. So get the melody down. The fingering is up to you. I use slightly different fingering, whatever. And then once you have that, you can do the articulation if you want. The articulation in these kind of arrangements is kind of up to you on what how do you feel it. You play around with it and experiment. Then we get the chords. We'll just do block chords. Let's see if we got the chords. We got an A7 chord. Well, remember the A7 chord is here. We don't have to use all the notes. And a D minor, where's D minor? The A7 chord is a 5/7 chord, just here. You can do that if you want. And then on measure 3, you got D minor, and then A7 again, D minor, G minor, that's the 4 chord. For measure 9, it's 4 chords. We're using the primary chords. I just do them as block chords first. 1, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and just make sure I got the harmony down, and then I can start playing around with the harmony. Well, to give you some ideas over the middle page 119, because you can change the rhythm. 1 and 2 and. So the 8th note is on the and of 2. The 8th rest is on 2. 1 and 2 and. That rhythm, if you want to try it, there's other rhythms, it's up to you. And you're playing basically with the right hand. That gets old after a while. Then try something else. So they give you a little bit of example there at the bottom. That's better. At least you're playing on beat 1 on those others. But there's other rhythms too, and you don't have to do block chords. You can do this. The other patterns we've had 3/4 time, or use this rhythm in this. Like so. Different rhythms. Experiment with the rhythm. Maybe it's different rhythms. So play around with it. If it sounds okay, good enough. Just experiment. Explore the possibilities. It can be fun. You don't have to go as fast as I mean, this is quick and spirited. It doesn't have to be. I mean, that. You can play this slowly and mysteriously too. It doesn't have to be fast and carried away, whatever, like I do.